cannot convince me otherwise.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Made me feel like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a full get ready with me hair, makeup, outfit, perfume, all the good things. I love doing get ready with me. And I'm going to a dinner tonight, so I had to bring you guys along with me. So if you want to see how I got this look before you keep watching, subscribe, like this video, and now you can enjoy. Finally, I'm doing a full get ready with me. You guys know I love these videos. They're so fun. A little bit of pressure, but fun because it's more like a realistic transformation for me, you know? So I'm gonna start with my hair, and of course, it would not be a get ready with me if I kind of wasn't in a pinch. Please, I don't need my nails falling off today. Please. It would not be me if I was not in a pinch, so we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna be using some dry shampoo. This is the Amika dry shampoo. This is actually the only dry shampoo that I have tried so far that I like. I'm sure there's other ones, but I really like this one. And it smells really good. Normally I would do it in sections, but we literally do not have time for that. It doesn't really need it. I just wanted like a refresh. I'm gonna do my current favorite curls. It's not really a curl, it's more so a wave. I'm gonna use some oil. I've really been liking these curls that I'm doing because if they drop, it doesn't look crazy. It looks more so like a wave. So I like that. And I don't have to do the whole pin curling thing. Like doing my whole head takes maybe 10-15 minutes. I just take medium pieces and I curl away from my face and I leave the end. So I don't curl the end. That's why it drops into a wave. But I do recommend if you do this that you straighten the ends, because I tried to do it yesterday with another wig that was just blow dried and the ends were kind of poofy, so I had to just do regular curls. So again, if you do this, just try to like run the flat iron through your hair, and I like heavily spray it. Look at the trust closing in. It's to someone I can depend on. Yes, seen from above, I am convinced. If it isn't luck, I guess love is. My goal is to do a 30-minute face, and that's very achievable for me. So don't want to do anything fancy, honestly, because I feel like my outfit's already a lot. So yeah. I haven't even told you guys where I'm going yet. I'm going to dinner with DIBS Beauty. They invited me out tonight at Nobu. So that's what the vibes are. I've been getting invited to things back to back to back, and it is a blessing. But your girl is overwhelmed. Just like everything just came full force, honestly. But yeah, I'm excited about this because y'all know I love me some sushi. I will never ever turn down, let me not say it never ever, but 9 times out of 10, I won't turn down a sushi date. Because I done turned down some sushi. some sushi dates before. I actually have no idea who's gonna be here. I've asked all my friends and all my mutuals and everybody, and everybody's like, no. And I'm like, oh, okay. I'm not nervous at all. But the fun about going to these events is that a lot of times I end up meeting people that I've been mutuals with online for so long, and we finally connect, or you meet new people. Like, you just never know, but it is nerve-wracking. And I think a lot of people think we go to these events and we're all in on who's there and behind. You know nothing that's going on. You get an invitation, you accept or decline, and you show up. And that's it. You don't know what you're walking into. I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna have to see the mirror in the frame because I gotta see what I'm doing. So for primer, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. I actually really like this primer a lot, and I don't see anybody talking about it. This primer is so good. I started using it on my clients, and the way the makeup glides on is like flawless. It immediately plumps the skin up, but also has like slight tackiness. Not as much as like the, what do you call it? The Milk Hydro Grip, but just enough. I don't feel like it needs to be like tacky, because I feel like it gets to a point where like you can't really blend if it's too tacky. Not, you know, like, I don't know, it's just weird. Anyways, so I'm gonna let that dry since it is more on the wet side. I did get a fan and I never use it, but next video we'll utilize it. Then I'm going into the e.l.f. Poreless Putty because I like a nice smooth base. I want to look like a filter. Okay, the mirror's kind of out the frame. All right, cool. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte. I mix two shades. I mix Macau and Marquise's. So honestly, normally when I go out, I will just use a skin tint because I think it looks stunning in person. Like, it looks good on camera, but stunning. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I'm able to get somebody to take my picture tonight. Again, I don't know who's gonna be there, but like, I would really like a photo tonight. And I know that this makeup that I'm gonna do is gonna look really good on camera. So I'm just going for full coverage. You know what I've learned when getting ready? It's gonna sound so crazy. Don't look at the clock. When I keep looking at the clock, it's like time is going. If I just work efficiently, I get things done in a timely manner, and I actually shock myself. I have to leave here in about an hour, the latest. Like, I have an hour, which is not bad, but when you're getting ready, baby, tick tock, tick tock. I kind of used a lot of foundation today, so don't drag me. Face is covered and flawless. I'm using the shades Caramel and Biscuit. I keep trying to find another concealer that I like under the eyes, and I just keep going back to this one. Like, it just sits perfectly. It has a perfect coverage. The finish is gorgeous, and this combination is just so good. And I keep trying to find something else, and it just doesn't hit the same. Like, there's good concealers, but like this, If you feel like I'm going too fast, because I kind of am, I do have a going out makeup tutorial either up already or going up. I just have so much stuff. I've been on my, okay, I literally have my content lined up. So I don't know if I want this to go up first or if I want that to go up first. We will see. But just know, if you have any questions, it's gonna be answered. But anyways, I'm using this e.l.f. liquid camo bronzer. It is so good. Like, this stuff is, I just want to bathe in it. This is truly a liquid bronzer. It's amazing. The finish of this is so pretty too. Has like a nice sheen to it, and I feel like it gives my face balance because my concealer is matte and my face is matte. It like gives a nice balance. Oh my gosh, I just realized that you can probably hear my washing machine. I'm so sorry. What order do y'all get ready in? Hair, makeup, outfit, outfit, makeup, hair, makeup, hair, outfit. Like, what is it? I think the way I'm doing it is the only correct way. No shade, no tea. But it's like, you do your hair first. You let it kind of marinate while you do your makeup. Then you tweak your hair again, or you move on to your outfit and then tweak your hair again. Like, you will have to touch your hair again, but like, say you're in a rush, your hair's already done, so you could like go out, you could just run out. Oh, my nose is itching. Ah. But if your hair is not done and you're in a rush, then you're just kind of screwed. So it's just kind of like, I think hair, makeup, and outfit makes the only sense. You cannot convince me otherwise. And putting on your outfit while you're doing your hair and makeup also makes no sense. Unless you just really need help in your outfit and you have no choice. But like, again, Using Dion Cosmetics powder today. And a powder puff. And sit. And just get it all up in there. Rare Beauty Tinted Pressed Powder. And just pressing that in the face. Currently my favorite bronzer is the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in Do Butter. And I love this brush. Look how it just like this gives you the perfect like bronze. It's not super sharp. It's not like too skinny. You don't have to do too much. I literally just kind of go back and forth and press it. This is the Morphe E59, but this is an old brush, so I don't know if they made a new one like this or what they got going on. Now I actually have an hour on the dot, right? And at this point, I will get comfortable and be like, oh, that's nothing. No, I'm gonna keep moving at my same speed because I don't have time for that. I don't have time. Only by this time, my camera is overheating. And I know you guys probably think, oh, she never wants to show her brows. No, my camera literally be overheating at this point, which is more than enough time for me to actually do my brows. I'm gonna fill it in. Also, every time I do my brows on camera, I hate them. Surprise, surprise. All right, so what are we gonna do? I actually just wanna do like a brown smoky eye. I don't even think I want shimmer today. I'm gonna see how this goes, but I don't think I want that. I feel like I have enough. Okay, I might do a little shimmer. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm starting with my bronzer. I'm going into this Dose of Colors Baked Browns, and I'm taking this like rich brown. I'm gonna put that, oh, that's perfect. I'm putting that all over my lid. I have not done a brown smoky eye in so long. You guys are probably like, Tasha, do you hear that wind? My house all creaking. Anyways, putting that on my lid. But I feel like I've also been giving you guys looks. So like, I feel like I get a pass. Like, girl, I cannot give color and shimmer every day. I can't, and I ain't. Oh, that's the perfect brown. That's exactly what I was going for. Because I didn't want to have to layer 50 million different shadows. I don't have time for that. Black liner in my waterline. I get a lot of questions about this liner because you guys see it glide on so easily. And this is the LA Girls Neon Liner in the shade Black. I think it's just the color. Oh, Blackout is the color. I love this because it's like a gel. It's a gel eyeliner pencil. And those are the only kind of pencils I like, because they glide and they set. So it's like perfect. And it's so black. I'm taking that same brown and going under my lash line just to pull the look together. And it's like brown, but it kind of like will go with the burgundy. It's like that kind of brown. I love that. So technically speaking, I only use one eyeshadow because I'm not gonna deepen it. I'm not doing none of that. And I don't think I want to do liner today. I think that's gonna mess up the look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. And yeah, I did my lashes, mascara, and I'm gonna do some finna. I gotta stop saying that, that's crazy. I'm going to do some finishing touches. I'm using this blush. This blush has had a chokehold on me. I don't know. Am I just that ready for the summer? This blush gives just summer vibes. But this is Volume 5 by Juvia's Place, but it's just so pretty. And I don't know, guys, I'm still on the fence about like cream blush right now. Like, I like it, but then like, it's kind of pointless. Like, I don't know. If you guys have any tips or tricks on how you make your liquid blush or cream blush really pop, let me know, because I feel like when I do it, it doesn't make a difference. So it's just kind of like, just pile on the powder. I set my face with the NARS setting spray and then the Danessa Myricks. This one gives me a little plumpness, and then this one locks everything in. So I just like to take my brush and really press the spray in my face. You can add extra product, but I typically don't. My face is exactly how I want it. But I am gonna add some of this powder. This is from the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. I don't think that they make this anymore, but I've been using this a lot. And I started applying this under eye powder after I spray my face, because if I did this first, then you wouldn't see the bright under eye. I'm gonna add this Rare Beauty highlighter because I want a little glisten on the face. So I put it on the back of my hand and then use a beauty blender or a sponge, and I just apply it like so. It gives the prettiest sheen. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my outfit because I need to take my time. I don't want to rip my stockings, and I will see you guys in a minute. I'm back. It took me a minute because I had to make sure that I put on my tights carefully, and I still got a tiny tear or run in it, but it's high up, so hopefully it doesn't go down too low. I thought I made it, but I didn't. I was getting too antsy. So I'm just gonna do a glossy lip. I was thinking matte, but I think gloss will be easier to touch up. You guys, I might actually be on time. It's literally gonna take an hour to get there. That was Cork lip liner, and this is Fenty I Wouldn't. Browned out, sorry. And then I'm gonna use the ASA glosses that I've been assessing over. And I'm gonna go with Latte first. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of the Just Peachy, just for a little contrast. I think the peachy gloss looks really good with this hair color. So I like that. For perfume, I'm wearing Flower Bomb Tiger Lily. This to me is more so a summer scent, but it is kind of warm out today. And I feel like it just matches the vibe of like my whole everything. So I'm gonna go in. All right, so time to get into this outfit. All right, I hope my head isn't cut off and I'm looking goofy because I can't even see. So we did a monochromatic moment, as you can see, a little extra. The dress is from BBX brand. The tights are Wolford. Shoes are Amazon, hate them, but they'll work for the night. In the bag is Amazon as well. This cufflink is from Fashion Nova, and I have on Dior earrings, and that's it for me today. This is the fit. Yeah. I gotta go. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna head out now before I am late. At least I'll be a little fashionable. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.
Where would I be without your love? Set me off.